It is officially the cold season here in Nairobi, and today you're joining me in South Sea on Mtelo Road. Behind me is Zuri Phase 1 and Phase 2. My name is Sylvia Mongeli, and I will be taking you through this month's progress. We completed applying the first coat of filler, and this month we will be doing the second coat. In addition to that, we had reached the 7th floor in terms of gypsum. This month we managed to complete it to the 10th floor, did the skimming works, and we installed the spotlights. PPR and drainage piping with sewer line connection are set to be completed by the end of this month. Whereas for electrical wiring, we began early June and we've managed to complete from the mezzanine floor up to the 3rd floor. Something else we did is waterproofing at the rooftop slab. We also added staircases that allow access to the rooftop. That has been our progress for this month. I will see you again in the next series update.